Welcome to my daily vlog. I just did Town of Salem and I actually won. I don't know what Monaco was, but they saved me. I guess. They just saved the mayor. I would have died. Transport for the mayor. That would have sucked. Well, the mayor would have lived actually. Monaco would have died. But whatever. It's kind of cold in my room. You wonder why I'm covered head to toe. I'm invisible. I'm invisible. Oh. Just get joy. Just get joy. Ah! I do that. I'm tired. I guess I'll let you go. What do we have to talk about? I did grocery last night. Aisle 4. It's bad. It's good though. I thought I wasn't as bad. But that's it. I'm gonna talk to you later. Hope you have a good